This is the DJI Motion Controller Pouch. It's part of a ProForce collaboration for DJI Avata drone, providing a solution for carrying and protecting the DJI Motion Controller 2. It is made out of two 500 denier Cordura laminated fabrics, which is highly durable yet lightweight, featuring DWR and IRR coatings. The DWR coating provides a water-repellent finish, and the pouch closure is designed to protect the controller from the environment. Additionally, the IRR coatings ensures the pouch is non-reflective under night vision devices. The pouch can be attached to any MOLLE system. It comes in 5 different colors. We designed it specifically for the DJI Motion Controller 2, but can also accommodate similar size equipment. For inquiries and purchasing, please visit our website or our distributors. Follow us on social media to stay updated on our latest gear.